What's up, guys? So today I picked up the 370Z. Let's go and take a look. Just got the car back, guys. It's fucking looking flawless. Had to fucking stop real quick, fucking give it a little photo shoot. Damn, look at her. So I gotta talk to the street faction before I start driving this thing on daily. Crash bar didn't fit, so it has to get modified. But pretty much besides that, guys, once I get that bar back, you're gonna be seeing this thing daily. Look at there. Even had a chance to put the Z signals on so these fucking guys can see me while I'm turning. Alright, guys, well, that's just an update. Now you guys can see the new wheels, all the new carbon fiber, new bumper, new rear bumper. Still a lot more parts to come, guys. This is just the beginning. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be heading back home now. I'm gonna get the trunk mounted street faction wing installed. I gotta take off the OEM spoiler first, make some slots through it so it could be combined with it. I have a little kind of idea in my head and I hope it comes out great. Basically, I got inspired by one of the Porsche wings where it has a little spoiler in the back of the trunk and then it has a big one on the top, and it's gonna fucking look great, guys. So hopefully everything comes out right, and I'll show you guys through some process of it, but not all of it. I'm just mostly gonna try to concentrate on making sure everything gets on right by drilling the holes to doing everything else, guys. So let's go ahead. Let's head over there. I'm taking off my small wing, the one I was talking about, the OEM one. It's pretty easy, guys. Pretty much what you're gonna do, you're gonna access, there's gonna be a small little hook right here, plastic covering this. Take it off, and then there's gonna be a 10mm bolt there, and then you're gonna go ahead and take that off. There's gonna be a bunch of clips everywhere, and then there's gonna be one on this side as well. There's gonna be that one right there. That's where it's gonna be hiding. And then all you're gonna do is basically grab it, push it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, all the way around. Make sure you're grabbing little by little. You're not just grabbing one side and just cranking it down, because you will break the plastic. But yeah, that's pretty much the way to take that off. I'm going to show you the little hooks that I'm talking about. So it's going to be these right here. You're going to open it up, take out that, and you take out the panel. The rest of the panel is going to be all clips. Alright, guys, so I'm going to head back and take this wing off. Pretty much easy, guys. Once you take off the bolts on the bottom, it's going to be all double-sided tape, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Guys, you guys gotta remember, I used to have the Nismo wing, so I have a little bit more holes on mine. So I used that one to attach the other smaller spoiler, but the Nismo one had like so much more clips, much more holes, stuff like that. These are more clips than here. I was kind of being fucking lazy and didn't really want to cover them up, so I used the electrical tape, which actually works pretty well, guys. Don't knock it. If you have the double-sided tape, it'll protect any water from even touching that electrical tape anyways. As you can see, I've had this on for about, I want to say 7 months. Electrical tape is still holding on, it still looks pretty brand new. That's going to be pretty much it, guys. It's going to be how to take off that little piece right there. So now it's going to be the hardest part, and I got to be really careful, guys. So I'm going to need a lot of tape and another set of hands so I can put on my street faction wing. What's up, guys? So yesterday I wasn't able to install the wing. The bolts came up short, my drill bit didn't reach all the way down, but today I got everything resolved. The wing's on. I just have to trim down the spoiler, the OEM one, and then it'll look pretty fucking tight. Let me go and show you the wing. So this is how we're looking, guys. Came out pretty dope. It's pretty difficult to put it in. There was about 3 walls of aluminum in the back of the hood. I mean back of the trunk. Sorry about that. Yeah, it came out pretty cool. On the bottom of these guys, the bottom of the actual brackets, I put double-sided wide, double-sided tape, so no water gets inside. It's just not metal on metal. Well, I mean aluminum on aluminum. But yeah, guys, it came out pretty dope. Like I said before, the bumper's already on. I got a couple other projects going on that I'm gonna do for the next video. It's gonna be installing the OEM spoiler, which is gonna fit right here, and then gonna just have to Dremel in a couple slots right here. Well, just one slot here, one slot there, so the OEM wing fits perfect. It's gonna look pretty dope. My other project that I got going on, besides that, is gonna be getting on the third brake light on, or else it's just gonna look all empty up in there. So it's gonna go in here just like that, but it's not a perfect fitment, so I have to Dremel down some of the bumper to be able to get this fit flush. It's gonna be pretty dope because I also got the flasher, which the flasher lets you do. So this is the flasher, guys. I got this on Amazon. Basically what the flasher lets you do is when you brake, it'll flash about 5 times and then it'll become solid. So it's gonna be pretty dope. So let me get you a closer look so you guys can look it up on Amazon. I think it was about 17 bucks. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna make the third brake light fit on pretty tight. This is the IJDM third brake light. It's meant for the 370Z, but since I have a Muse bumper, I'm gonna have to custom fit it on, but shouldn't be too hard. Basically everything's just gonna run up to the rear tail light. It's gonna be wired up. I'll have a do it yourself for that one. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope I was some help to you guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.